Catholic Church ang atak. Oh. Katoliko nga simbahan gibong baha. Gusto mo mabunta din eh. Pangitabo ni nga real sa farm areas.
Because kung ikaw ang rebelde, gusto mong gumawa ng paalaala sa mundo na nandito kami, inaapi-api kami, hanggang ngayon wala kaming nakitang solusyon. Kita mo yung mga magulang namin, kita mo kung anong ginawa. So it would be terribly wrong, totally wrong, just to disregard itong. Kaya ko pinakita yan. Sabi ko, why is there so much hatred in Mindanao?
Bangsamoro Autonomous Region. Masakir sa Maguindanao, nakadungog namin ni sa una. Ha? Catholic mass bombing. Tinood niya sa news ni siya. Busa maghinuktok na ta. Cathedral bombing. Merkado. Nganong inanaman ang sitwasyon dito? Dini sa atong Cagayan de Oro. Kumuha mo sa Villa Candida. Wala na'y Kristiyano dito. Nanghawa na. Sa Paminta Subdivision. Sa Bara Upol. Then dito sa Uptown. SM Uptown. Kanang Camellia Homes.
Look, I'll give you. 1521, Magellan landed in Leyte, island of Limasawa. Why he landed there, si Magellan? He discovered the Philippines. What? We were doing all right as a Malay state until you came. Now when you came down from, anong ginawa mo? You planted the cross of Christianity. Okay, that's good. I do not have an issue about religion. It ties us down to our values in life. Look, when I say things, listen to my epithets, listen to my cuss words, but look beyond what there is a sad story of the Filipino. In 1521, my God, Islam was already planted firmly in Mindanao. So when you come down and say, I claim ownership and possession of these islands in the name of the King of Spain, and I would call all the natives and Filipinos, that guy started the trouble. Down from the imperial throne, the highly centralized government for control, down to the Americans, maintaining the same system for control. And until now, we have this war. Surely, when he said that I own these islands, a grave injustice was already committed against the Moro people. They would not relish to be called Filipinos because they cannot be the subject of a Christian King Philip.
Naminaw mo? Nabasa ninyo? Dili ni tumutumo istorya. And balik-balik ko nako. Nganong gipresent ko ng drug road dito. Di lang nako ma-devolve ngano. But kabahin ang Marawi. Munang akong gipresent. Ingon sila nga basig pusilon ko. Pusilon. Bantay mo diha. Ha? Pero realidad ni siya. Ha? Nga posible may tabo sa ato. Posible ba, dili? Posible ba? Okay. Musugot mo, dili? Ayaw mo sugot, ipadayon taning relasyon. So far, wala pa'y naitabo sa eleksyon din sa atong distrito. Last election, adunay harassment sa Ingog City. Upat ka kapitan dito sa Ingog Giharas, gisaka. Kisay nagsaka ang mga Maranao. Antuhin ninyo, kung may tabo nga mapulihan ang atong mga katbang punpun, mga mayors, gikan na sa farm area. Okay mo, dili? Hala, mga kapitan, sige. Inyong katbang po, mga in English na.
But at that time, when he went down his ship, itong Mindanao, Islam na ito. Almost 100%. Because historically, if you look at the books, and you go into the archives of Malaysia and Indonesia, these things are narrated. And Mindanao was already a port of call. Ibig sabihin, meron na dito mga taga-Sabah doing business. Ayun. Now, it was a thriving activity until the Spaniards took notice of it and added it to the territories that they conquered. But they were not able to go inside doon sa pinakabitoka ng Mindanao. Diyan lang sila sa coastal and they were able to build the Fort Pilar. But it was to stop the inroads of the Muslim missionaries. But the Moro people here were already really Islam.